Hello, welcome to the AI prompt engineer. Just you wanna see the magic? Let's see. Right now, this is AI content, and we are getting 100% fake result. Like obviously, this is AI. Few seconds later, you can see the magic. Boom, 100% original. Looks great. So you wanna do the same? Then let's watch the whole video from beginning till the end. So just write any article from ChatGPT, like write 250 words article on how ChatGPT will revolutionize the writing industry. And right now I will see you the first phase and then the second phase. So this is not just for ChatGPT, even using any other AIs as well, you can pass the AI detection. Even the funny thing is, like, copy it your content from the AI and then pass it in AI detection as well. Wow. So we are getting the 250 words articles. So let's see, like, what is this, and just wait and watch till the end. Otherwise you will miss some points and maybe you will get detected. So wait and watch. And till then, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and like if you want support me. Thank you. So yeah, just copy this article is generated, and just copy it and just go to the any AI detection. Right now I'm using the free one. Just paste here, paste it, your whole article here, and then just test it. Just click on check for AI content, click on it, and it is processing. So let's see. This is a first page. You can see 100% fake and 0% real content, means it is clearly showing that it is obviously AI content, not written by human. So there are the highly chances if we use any AI generated content, we will caught. So just for the other side, wait and watch. Stay tuned. So yeah, you can see 100% fake content, no other ways. So just wait and watch. Just create a new file here, new chat here. Just keep it as well and create a new chat here. And you have to train chat gpt for 100% human content, like to pass the detection. So first write, remember this line: I am going to give you some information before asking you to write an article. Do you understand? Yeah, you can see the reply: yes, I understand. And now just use this content. When it's come to writing content, two factors are crucial: perplexity and burstiness. Perplexity measure the complexity of text separately. Business compare the variations of sentence. Human tends to write with greater burstiness, for example, with some longer or complex sentences alongside shorter one. So just remember this whole text and copy it, and this will give instruction to chat gpt, like he has to follow this rule, and follow the perplexity and burstiness, and then write. So just copy it and then give instruction to chat gpt before writing any article. So yeah, and just also ask it, do you understand? Just click and hit the enter button and you will see the reply: yeah, I understand. And blah 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 other things. Yeah, now chat gpt understand your instructions. So now after this reply, you have to move to this third step, and then like it's totally in instruction, like you have to give a complete instructions, and then write any articles, and the way of giving instruction is exactly same, otherwise maybe there will be some kind of detection. So just copy it, use this concept written previously, rewrite this article with high degree of perplexity and burstiness. Copy this text, colon, and then paste the previous generated article. Just go to the previous chat and copy this whole previous generated article, which is right now 100% AI generated, and just wait and watch to see the magic. And it will going to help you a lot in your academics, everywhere, even freelancing career as well. Just paste it after that colon and then hit the enter button, and yes, use this text before rewriting the content, like to remind the chat gpt, like use the above instructions and then write a content article for us, rewrite the article. So yeah, we are getting the same article, rewriting the same article. So yeah, just after generating, copy it and go to the same AI detector as well. The rewriting is done. Just copy this newly generated article as per our given instructions. So yeah, and then copy it and then just move it to the AI detector generator, paste here, and after paste, yeah, just go to the processing section. Let's click check for AI content and let's see the magic. What you see in initially, and yo, 100% real content, 0% fake content. You are seeing the same article, only we have to give some proper 3-step instructions and then rewrite that article, which is initially 100% fake. Right now it is 100% real human written article. You will see the magic. So boom, looks great. This is how you have to like overpass this detection. So maybe just but use it for a real purpose. I'm just giving a knowledge, like this is just a educational based purpose. So don't misuse this. Thank you and have a nice day. Just don't forget to follow the channel. Thank you.